Hey, how you doing? I'm Chris.
My name's Cameron.
And this week on SolarEdge Night Mode, we are going to be answering your questions about the SolarEdge Nexis solution, as well as the connector IslandDER. We had a ton of questions come in after the PV Magazine article on both our YouTube comments, via nightmode at SolarEdge.com. So we're going to be going through all of your questions and giving you a technical rundown of SolarEdge Nexis and connector IslandDER.
That's absolutely right. So we invited Khanti Munro, who's the senior product manager over at ConnectDER, to talk about the IslandDER specifically. So if you have any great questions about the IslandDER, please get them into SolarEdge Night Mode. Email us at SolarEdgeNightMode.com. And that's going to be this Thursday, October 16th from 3 p.m. Pacific time or 6 p.m. Eastern time. So I'm going to be there.
I'm going to be there. Stay sunny.
Stay optimized.
Cheers.